What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Irene Kadhambi and this is the DIY corner. And today's DIY was a request by one of you around December to try make passion twist from either Pamoja or Abuja braids. If you're not Kenyan, those are kanekalon braids from Darling, and you can use any other kanekalon braid, not necessarily those. In this video, I'll be using the Abuja braid, and before we start, I must mention that this is inspired by Laveth Speaks. She's the one who started this whole thing of making passion twist from kanekalon braids, so you can go to her channel and check out her work. And without wasting time, let's get into business. I'm using long Abuja braid. This is color number 2. You can use whatever color you like. And I'll be using skewers. You can use straws too, only that I couldn't find the hard ones. That's why I settled for skewers. I'm going for this size because they will be curled and then twisted. So I don't want them to be too thick. Then take the skewer. I start from the middle and hold it nicely, then twist it on the skewer like this. So I'm doing them like I'm not leaving any space. This is what I prefer because I want the curl pattern to be tight. But if you want them to be a little bit looser, like the way the ones from the shops look like, then you can leave some space in between. It's kind of time consuming the way I'm doing it because also since I'm using long braids, these sticks are kind of short for the braid, so I'm taking time to twist first before, I don't know if you guys can see, like I'm twisting it like this first before rolling it on the skewer like that. So once you get to the end, you have two options. You can either use a rubber band, okay, this is not a, anyway, a hair tie to secure that end. And if you use the plastic ones, they will not, like, they cannot handle the heat because we are going to use the hot water to curl these ones. So yeah, don't use those ones. I tried, and the moment I poured hot water in there, they all snapped. So we do the same on the other side. So the other option, once you get to the end, you can just wrap it backwards like that. That's enough to secure it. So yeah, you want to secure it in such a way that it will remain intact even when you put it into hot water. So you repeat the process, and once you're done, you can put them into a bucket, a basin, or whatever you have, and pour in hot water. And I wanted to kill two birds with one stone, so I added some vinegar there because nowadays the braids make some people itch. I've not reacted to them yet, so, but yeah, when I remember I do soak them, but most of the time I won't lie, I don't soak them with vinegar. So I left them in the hot water for like 5 minutes. That's really enough. And then drained and dried them. I didn't wait until they were completely dry. Yeah, I installed them before they were completely dry, but it was fine. So once they are dry, time to unravel and install. You can unravel them all first and then fix, or you can unravel one by one as you fix. It's up to you. I'm doing one by one as I fix, and I've already fixed quite a number. So unraveling is quite easy. So what you do is just loosen the ends first, like that. Then everything else, and then pull it out. So easy, and that way you avoid freeze. And if you had used a rubber band or a hair tie at the end, it's just the same way, there's no difference. So loosen and take out the tie, then again loosen everything, and pull it out. Easy. So let's get into installation. I will show you quite a number of ways on how you can install them, and then you can choose. But first, before we go to that, you see there, you cannot really see my hair, right? It's blending in so well. So I didn't want to buy any products. I wanted to use what I have at home, and I just melted my whipped shea butter, the Ayurveda infused butter that I used to seal in moisture sometimes. So I've just melted it using the double boiler method, just a little bit of it, and then I'm going to mix it with some flaxseed gel to give it some more hold. So let me show you how the butter on its own looks on my hair. So we take a section, I'm not going to seal in dryness or just mist with my spray bottle because my hair is a bit dry. So if I take a bit of the melted butter and apply it on the hair, this is what I have. It's a really good sealant, a very good one. But let's see the difference with when I add some flaxseed gel. So I want to mix them in the ratio of 50 to 50, half, and I'm going to approximate. Oh, I think I added way more flaxseed than I wanted. Yeah, okay, it's okay. Let me mix and see. So the one that I've used for the other parts, I mixed it and then let it cool a little bit, but right now we don't have time for that, so I'm just going to mix. So then I'll just take a little bit of that and apply it on that same section. So that's what you get. You see, it has defined my curls. So this will help the hair blend in, my hair blend in with this. So the first way of installation is just the way I twist normally. So I'm going to divide this into two. Twist. Like that, and then continue twisting to the end. But I'll be very careful to until I have my hair tucked in. You see, you cannot see my hair, it's tucked in the braids, and then I'll continue twisting to the end. And with this one it's so easy because you're just laying them on top of the other. Like you don't need to twist the individual sections before laying them on top of each other. You just twist like that. So easy. Then once you get to the end, you can snip that to get that. Second method, take this, and now instead of dividing this here into two, I'll just hold it as one, put the braid there and twist. You can twist like 3 to 4 times, and then after that you continue twisting these two together like that. And then twist all the way to the end. So the third method, take your section again as a whole, but this time round we are not going to twist at the root. We are going to do a 3-strand braid. So place it like that, such that your hair is the third section, and braid. So that way, braid. Can braid for like 3 times. Then join your hair with one of the sections like that and start twisting. Fourth method, we are going to use the rubber band method, and for my hair I would rather use this instead of this. I think these ones are safer, I don't know, but now they will look bulky at the root, at least for my hair. So I'm going to use these ones, but when you use these ones, make sure not to pull them tight because they will tear. I don't know, tear, that's the pronunciation. They will break. So just wrap your hair there. So once you have it like that, take your braid. I'm doing this because I want to make them equal, and then we do a 3-strand braid at the root. And then twist. Those are the 4 ways I would fix this, and I'm sure at least you can use one of those. For me, the first method is the one that I prefer, and it's the one that I've used to fix the rest. Let me remind you which one it was. Yeah, I prefer 2-strand twisting from the bottom. So section, place this in between, twist, then bring that over and twist. So yeah, I prefer this method. So I'm going to fix the rest off camera and then I'll be back with the final results. Don't go anywhere. So guys, I'm done. And yes, that's how they look. I love them. But let's compare them with the store-bought ones. Okay, this is what is available in the Kenyan market. I think these are from Sister. I don't have the packet here, but I think these are the Sister brand. Okay, in Kenya we have, I think, 3 main brands. We have Sister, Darling, and Angels. I think these are from Sister. And a packet of these goes for like 600 bob, which is like $6. And I think one might need maybe 1.5 to 2 packets. So that's 1,200 Kenyan shillings. And these ones, I've used 3.5 long Abuja braids. One Abuja braid goes for, at retail price, let's say 70 bob. 70 times, let's call it 4, that is 280. So you get this for 280, or this for 1,200. It's up to you to choose whether you have the time to make this or you have the money to buy this. But for me, I don't know, I think these ones are much cute. Okay, I like these ones more than this. I've had these for a while, but I've never installed them. But honestly, I think I love these ones better than this. I don't know about you guys. And I made this as I was watching movies, so I was engaged, I was entertaining myself, but I kept my hands busy. It took quite a while, a couple of hours to make them, and a few more hours to install them. So I'm definitely going to see how they age. I can't promise to keep them for long because I have the hands in hair syndrome. Let's hope I can keep them for up to 2 weeks at the minimum, and then I can review them for you guys so that we can see if they are worth the time. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.